Who doesn't cherish the vibrant dance of flavors in a classic ratatouille? This delightful dish not only captures the essence of Provence, but also the hearts of food enthusiasts around the globe. Begin by sourcing fresh ingredients. You'll need 1 large eggplant, 2 bell peppers, 1 zucchini, 1 yellow squash, and 3 ripe tomatoes. Don't forget the essentials: 1 onion, a few cloves of garlic, and a handful of fresh basil leaves. Olive oil and a pinch of salt and pepper will enhance the flavors beautifully. Preparation starts with the vegetables. Wash all the produce thoroughly. Peel the eggplant and chop it into cubes. Slice the bell peppers into thin strips, discarding the seeds and membranes. Both the zucchini and yellow squash should be cut into round slices. Dice the tomatoes and finally chop the onion and garlic. Heat a generous splash of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and a pinch of salt. Sauté until the onions turn translucent. Stir in the garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Now, introduce the eggplant and bell peppers to the skillet. Cook them until they begin to soften. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, add the zucchini and yellow squash, combining them well with the other vegetables. Allow the mixture to simmer gently. The tomatoes join the party next. Toss them into the skillet along with a touch more salt and pepper. Reduce the heat slightly and let the ratatouille cook uncovered. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully as the vegetables become tender, yet retain some of their bite. This should take about 15 minutes. As the ratatouille nears completion, tear fresh basil leaves and sprinkle them over the top. The basil not only adds a burst of color but also infuses the dish with a fresh aromatic flavor. Stir everything gently one last time. Adjust seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. Serve the ratatouille warm, perhaps alongside crusty bread or as a complement to a main dish. In summary, making ratatouille involves preparing and sautéing onions and garlic, followed by sequential additions of eggplant, bell peppers, zucchini, yellow squash, and tomatoes. Season well and garnish with fresh basil to finish. This method ensures each vegetable cooks just right, preserving its texture and enhancing its flavor. There you have it, a simple yet sublime ratatouille, a dish that truly celebrates the simplicity and freshness of its ingredients. Enjoy the harmonious blend of tastes and textures that this traditional French stew offers.